Hey, what's up you guys? It's a Tastemaker and welcome back. Today we have a unit here from Unice Hair. I am reviewing this 7x5 curly bob unit. They give you an HD lace cap. They also give you these really cute press-on nails. You guys know how much I love pink. And of course they give you a melting band to melt that lace, girl. So here is the unit. This is, like I said, a 7x5 pre-everything bye-bye-knot lace unit, okay? It comes with this curved part. And as you guys see, this unit is gorgeous. I love the color of this one. This is the interior of the wig. You get a lot of parting space and you get 2 straps in this one. And it also has a nice wide comb in the back as well. So here is a nice wide shot of the unit. Absolutely love this color. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this install.
Rap to you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate you. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Lil vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato. When Shawty get in the work, I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or ignorant reverse. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make me tries. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I did not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? What's the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. But that gorgeous face that don't know your name, it ain't important, baby, cause I'm a whole nine.
Fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby? Don't know me if I keep you sick of me. Don't know me. Let me teach you all the sounds of love.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Unice Hair. You guys know, I'm just a Unice kind of girl. You guys already know. I work with Unice a lot and I've been wanting to try like different looks. So today I have this really beautiful reddish brown bob. It's such a cute bob. I actually thought it was gonna be a little bit shorter than what it is. I actually really like this length though. It's like perfect and it's a completely glueless unit. So we love a good glueless unit, okay? And this is actually a 7x5 closure and it was so quick and easy to install. I was really impressed with how fast it was to install. We love a unit that is just quick and easy to put on and go. We love a ready-to-wear unit. This unit does come with a pre-plucked hairline. It also comes with pre-cut lace, and it has 2 straps in it, which adds extra security, and that's what allows us to have like the glueless install. So it has the elastic band at the top, and then it has the adjustable straps in the back, along with a really long comb. I love the length of the comb in the back. It's at least about a good 2 to 3 inches. It's really long, because sometimes they have combs in the back, but they're like smaller than my pinky. Like, it's just like really small. But I like that this one is like long and wide. It has enough length so you can put it right up underneath your straps in the back, and that just has like extra security, so you don't have to worry about like using lace front glue or trying to melt the lace and all of that. Like, all I had to do with this unit honestly was just put some makeup on the lace and do my little baby hair right here, put a little concealer in the part, and y'all saw I was done. So if you need something that is a time saver, something that is affordable, and just something different from your usual, then this is definitely gonna be one for you. I love the fact that it's like shorter in the back and then it gets longer in the front here. And this is a beautiful curly unit. So you can just, you know, throw a little water on her and she's good to go. And that's what I did, and it still has the same amount of fluffiness. I am gonna come up closer in a moment just to show you guys, you know, the look up close and personal, but I did want to go ahead and do a wide shot for you guys as well, just to give you guys a really nice vibe of what you can get with a look like this. And if you wanted to, you can definitely put like this piece like behind your ear if you didn't want to have it like covering your ear, so that way if you have an earring or something you can have it showing. But I like mine with it like that, so that's how I have mine. This is one of those pre-everything units, so they do everything for you, which is something that I love. Like, I really like how they pre-pluck this unit. So let's go ahead and give you guys a close-up of this unit. Okay, so here is an up-close look at the unit. I love this color on me, you guys. I feel like this color was made for me. Like, it just looks so good. And look how well this is pre-plucked. I did not have to use no melting spray or nothing to try to get this lace to melt. It just matches me perfectly, and you get a ton of space like in the front. Like, look at all this space you get in the front. The tracks don't start until way down here. Like, look, the tracks don't start till way down there. So you have all of this space up front, you guys, that you can play around with. And you don't have to have yours flipped over, you can have it to the back. And then you have a nice deep curved parting spot, like a parting space, not spot. But yeah, you have a nice deep curved part here. And like I said, I did put some concealer on mine just because I put like some of the baby hair like that, and that's optional. You don't have to do the baby hair, but I just feel like it would look good with just a little bit of something. But like, look how pretty these curls are without any product on it. I just wet the hair, let it air dry. As you guys saw, there is no like conditioner or anything in the water either. It's just regular. Yeah, it's just regular on me. And I just feel like it's the perfect length. I feel like something like this would probably be better for like spring, summertime, just because if you want something that's like off your neck. But girl, I live in LA, I can wear stuff like this all throughout the year. But let me show you guys the parting space in the middle as well. Okay, so you still get a lot of parting space here. So if you wanted to do like a middle part, you could do that. You don't have to do like, you know, the side part that they have in the unit. It's really up to you as far as like how you want to style it. And I really like the fact that the unit that you see online is exactly what you get. There are no surprises. It's not like they use like a stock photo from somebody else's, you know, install and then they posted it. This is exactly what the unit looks like on the website with the curved part and everything on the mannequin head. It's the same kind of length, the same look, same color. So pretty, and I just love like how it looks on me. It's definitely a vibe, okay? And they do have this unit available in other colors as well. They have like a black one that has like some highlights in it. So if you didn't want to have the reddish brown one, you could definitely get this one in black as well. And the one that I have is in 12 inches, and this unit is so affordable, you guys. It's like just a little bit over $100, which is extremely affordable, and you can get it on Amazon. This is an Amazon unit because a lot of us shop on Amazon, and I love reviewing Amazon wigs because I just feel like a lot of people be sleep on Amazon. Some people feel like they have to like go to like AliExpress or something like that to get like a unit, and you don't have to do that. Like, girl, Amazon has your back, and this is like really good quality. It's soft, and it doesn't have like any weird smells. It doesn't smell like fish. It doesn't smell like chemicals. And I like the fact that the hair color isn't like bleeding, because sometimes like when you have color like this, if you're not careful, like if you have white on or something and your hair is wet, sometimes the hair will bleed onto your clothes. But this one didn't do that at all. The color is nice, and it's just It's in there, it's not bleeding at all. And just like, once again, like, look how natural this looks. Like, it looks so good. It's so well pre-plucked. And then I'm just gonna take a comb and go up under here for you guys, just so you guys can see that this is not glued down, you guys. Like, this is just installed regularly. And obviously here I can't go under because, you know, I put gel on that part. But if you use like hairspray or like foam and mousse, you can like comb this out and it doesn't have to be so hard. But I don't have any foam and mousse, you guys. I haven't had none in like a good month or so. I need to buy some. This unit does come in 3 different lengths. So they have an 8-inch, a 10-inch, and a 12-inch available on their website. But I have mine in the 12-inch, which is the longest length available. And I really do like this length. I was worried. I thought it wasn't gonna be like long enough or something, but it's like literally perfect for me. And the best thing about it, because this is an Amazon unit, the shipping is completely free. So you don't have to worry about paying for shipping, and it's gonna get to you super fast. So if you needed something for the holidays or something, maybe for New Year's, then I definitely think this would be the perfect time to go ahead and shop with Unice and pick up this beautiful unit. I absolutely love it. If you love it and want to get your hands on it yourself, I will leave a direct link to this unit down below along with all the details. If you have any questions, drop a comment and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Shout out to Unice Hair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.